Lawyer in sight, back in court weeks later, accused of stabbing someone he knew to death.
Yeah, I think this is, in fact, the worst possible outcome.
Javon Robinson mouthed messages to someone as he faced a judge for 2 cases out of Dorchester District Court Monday.
The defendant is seen on video tossing a knife into a sewer after another party stabbed an individual outside of a Dunkin' Donuts.
The first involves a dangerous weapon connected to a stabbing in August, but those charges were dropped nearly a month ago because the court couldn't get him a lawyer in time.
Wow. Incredible.
And those charges can't go to trial without the lawyer and would be dismissed.
That's exactly what happened with Robinson, who's now accused of stabbing a man to death Saturday in Mattapan.
Officers arrived and they found a victim with a stab wound to the neck. Detectives learned that the victim and the defendant were known to each other and that there were multiple other parties present.
Public defenders stopped taking cases earlier this year in a fight for better pay. The legislature raised rates from $65 to $75 an hour, but lawyers wanted $100, and now cases are piling up.
I think this tragedy lies at the feet of those that have the power to Beacon Hill.
I do not take issue with that criticism. I think we need to go back to the drawing boards and find a fair and effective way to deal with this situation.
This is wild, man. So this 29-year-old Javon was charged with murder after a fatal stabbing over the weekend. But he had serious weapons charges and drug charges dismissed just 26 days ago because they couldn't find him a lawyer. So he probably been locked up. He might have not killed this person. And they're dealing with a public defender shortage. And so he was arrested Sunday after the stabbing and is now being held without bail. His attorney says he's innocent. His previous charges were Class A drugs and weapon were dropped October 25th because no defense attorney. The DA tried to reinstate those charges, but nothing happened. Earlier this year, another judge threw out evidence in a separate gun/drug case saying police racially profiled him. Bro! Well, thank you guys for not profiling him. We appreciate that. Robinson prior had federal drug convictions and was released from prison in 2023. Wow. Mamma mia. Mamma mia. Love you guys. Have a good night. Bloop, 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 bloop. Man, it's a place to do crime, I guess.